As we all know that mechanical watches have been here for a long time. The movement of these watches are very pity. I too have two mechanical watches with me. This is a hand wind watch and this is a pocket mechanical watch. Okay, got it. Both these watches are not working because they need to be wound. The mechanical watches need about 40 to 50 rounds by your fingers to wind fully. So I find it difficult. I think that it is a drawback for these watches. So I discovered a method where we can wind these watches fairly quickly. So for this method we need certain things. For this method we need a wire tie which is used in electrical wiring, and we also need a nail polish to paint. A paint can give a nail polish. This wire tie has tiny strips in it like this, and other side is plain, and if we tie a knot with this like this, we can tie a knot. It just goes inside and does not come outside. The wire tie we are using is a very small one. Compared to this, it is a very small one. We need a very small wire tie. This is a big one. Compared to this is a very small one. We need a very small wire tie. This has tiny strips across it from the inside. Okay, we need to tie this knot. Small wire tie, we have to tie a knot like this. Just goes inside. It's an electrical wire tie, very small thing. The strips are inside the tie and it is plain outside. The strips gets inside the crown of the watch, also has strips in it. So when it gets into the crown, the both strips get together and forms a fixed bond. So let us make a bond here with this watch. I am using this mechanical watch. Now holding this, you have to tighten it. Just you have to keep it here. Tighten it. Do not tighten it too much. Just a small tight is enough. Now remove it and take one more step inside. Okay, when the tie becomes this shape, we have to not tighten it too much. From the outside we have to tighten it one more step. Okay, then see if it forms a tight bond. No, it's not tight. So we make one more step inside. Okay, to be careful while this step is going on. Now see if it is tight. Yeah, it forms a very tight bond now. See if it is possible to see. Okay, then now we have to cut it short with a blade. We will cut it short by removing it. We will cut it short. And paint it where the strips are there. The strips are inside the knot. You paint it like this. Now we will start winding the watch. This watch is not working now. We will push a little to the crown and then revolve it. The bond is there, you can see the bond. Now we can remove it and start revolving like this. We will start revolving it. I think I can let you hear the sound of the winding, if it is possible. Okay. It takes about 14 rounds like this. It's very simple. We can feel the resistance when the end of the winding comes. Okay, it is reached, I think. Yeah, it is fully wound now. Now we will start winding the other thing also. This watch, I have earlier made one wire tie earlier. For this watch, push it a little. Now let me hear the sound of the winding. Yeah, the end is reached and this is now fully wound. It takes about 14-15 rounds only. Now you can see that both these watches are working. See if it is possible. This is also working now. It takes only 14 to 15 rounds of winding, and by fingers it takes about 40 to 50 rounds. I think that the winding is very simple and it is very quick. You can also wind it easily. I hope that you find it interesting to watch winding this way the watch, and I hope that you will all give it a try. Thanks. Bye.